Okay, good morning, everybody. This is the morning of Wednesday, February 2nd. It's like just about 7 o'clock in the morning. Everybody's still kind of sleeping. I thought I'd just make a really quick video of what's going on with the snow blizzard. I just got a phone call from the village saying that we are in a state of emergency. Everybody has been asked to stay home. Only emergency vehicles are allowed to go out, and from what I'm reading online, even they can't even get out to do anything. On Facebook, someone shared with me Wisconsin Civil Danger Emergency, February 2nd, 2011. Paralyzing blizzard continues southeast and south central Wisconsin. Even though blizzard warnings remain in effect and most roads are impassable over a wide area due to 5 to 10 foot drifts, we are receiving reports of people attempting to continue to work this morning. A civil danger emergency has been issued by the state of Wisconsin EOC across southern Wisconsin. Interstate Route 43 is closed from Milwaukee, Wisconsin, to the Illinois border. Interstate 94 is closed from Milwaukee to the Illinois border. We anticipate that maximum drifts of 10 to 15 feet are possible from Milwaukee to Makowongo. I'm like so not into Wisconsin names. And Elkhorn on south. Up to 2 feet of additional snow has fallen in this area. Wow, they got extra 2 feet. Oh my gosh. Wait till you see the videos I make later. Ooh, it's really pretty, but it's a massive amount of snow out there. We have numerous reports of stranded motorists, and these numbers are actually increasing. Even given that even National Guard vehicles are stuck in the snow. The situation certainly life-threatening. All I can say, if anybody has a snowmobile and wants to call, maybe they should volunteer. That would be a really good idea. Even as the snow lets up during the morning, the huge drifts that are blocking the roads make them impassable to anything except perhaps snowmobiles. Emergency vehicles may not be able to reach stranded motorists for this time. And then I also found something else. It's 10 hours. Motorists are still stranded on Lakeshore Drive. Travel is not recommended until the afternoon. That's pertaining to the Chicago area. Despite the snowfall rates have decreased, and wind gusts have dropped from 60 miles per hour to 45 miles per hour. It's quite windy outside. Emergency managers across northern Illinois are strongly urging people to stay off the roads this morning. Probably into this afternoon. Hello, in the evening, I would think. In fact, all of Lake County, where I live, it's like Lake County is north of Chicago and just south of the Wisconsin border. Has officially closed all the roads by order of a civil emergency. So get this. All of the roads here in Lake County are now closed. In Chicago, abandoned cars litter Lakeshore Drive. And incredible, some motorists remain stranded at this hour, and this was at 3:30, near North Avenue in Chicago. Rescue operations by the Chicago Fire and Police Department continue. Some of the rescued motorists are suffering from frostbite and are being treated at area hospitals. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, goodness. Okay, these are other counties here in northern part of Illinois. Maybe some going towards central. Will County, civil emergency in effect. All roads are closed. Lake County, civil emergency in effect. Emergency responders are still rescuing stranded motorists. All roads are closed. Kane County, many, if not most, roads are drifted shut. No travel until plows clear the roads. Kankakee County, I-57 is closed and shelters are open in Montano. DeKalb County, many roads impassable. Kenosha County, I-94 considered impassable from the state of Illinois border up into Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Walworth County, I-43 considered impassable from Illinois up to the border of Mukowango. All my Wisconsin friends are going to laugh at me when they hear this. Interstate 80 is officially closed from Morris to Princeton. A blizzard warning remains in effect until 3 o'clock p.m. this afternoon for the counties that are shaded pink on this link. I'll include this link in the video. Wow. Anyway, so there's the update. Pray for all the stranded people. And if you got a snowmobile and you live in Wisconsin or Illinois, call the police department or fire department and see if you can be some assistance. God bless. Bye.